Finally, we have got a lion and lioness over here. Here the powerful roaring of the lion. The lioness is moving away and lion is taking rest. Look at the lioness. She is coming to the show stage now. The lioness is come to the stage and standing and giving pose for us. The queen of the jungle. Look at the lion's mouth, the roaring of the male lion. The most powerful predator, only next to tiger in the forest. It's lion. Lioness is now. And the male lion is also up now. They're so fortunate. Male is up. Will he climb on the stage to show him? But he's going beneath the stage. Why? Did you hear the royal sound of the lioness? Look at the male lion. One is going away. And the lioness is running away. Oh, they're hugging each other. Lioness is hugging the lion. The lioness gave a hug to Mr. Lion. And oh, lion is coming in front of us. We're so fortunate. You have got the lioness very active now, running up. Lion has gone inside the swallow place and hidden. So lioness is going towards that place. Let's see whether she is also going to. If she hides, we are going to wind up the video and also the entire show for today. Because this most probably will be my last video shoot. Yeah. Oh, lioness wants to play with the lion. So we can see both of them up soon. Oh my god, both of them have gone in. So we can see the pigeon and wait for some time. Because I am sure that this lioness will beat that lion and bring him up. And if both of them started to sleep, we are gone. And we can see the deer from here. From there also we can, that's the blue bull. I'm trying to take his face from angle, but no way. He's hiding himself. Even the lion roar is okay for him, but not us. So deer pond. And again lioness. Lioness is beating and playing with the lion beneath. Oh, male lion's head is up. Yeah. Oh, the lion, the king of the jungle is back up. Yeah, he got the lioness as well. We are so fortunate today. She is driving away the pigeons. Lion is always a lion. You got a squirrel. You got a squirrel over there, and now we have got the lioness. You see the squirrel climbing over there? The lioness and the lion. Actually, the lion is trying to hunt the pigeons. I think she's so angry. Oh no! Very unfortunate. Lioness, the pigeons have escaped from the lioness' hands. Really, she is trying to hunt, but Mr. Lion is sleeping. And the lioness is drinking water. The lioness is drinking water. See how she sits and drinks. And the lioness is again going to beat the Mr. Lion.
Bye.
The lion and lioness are playing with each other. They are from my cat's family, though, so they are playing like my cats. The lion which was sleeping is active now. I am fortunate, but the blue bull, which was my dream to shoot on close today for my today's visit, and another one is the blue yellow parrot, I can say like the macwa, that I shot. But again the lioness is coming towards the lion. Oh, but she, without attacking the lion, she went to the stage to give a pose. The lion going beneath. Male are so humble. He's standing above the lion. Lioness is standing above the lion on the stage. Oh, lioness is climbing above the lion. Oh, awesome. She is biting the lion's tail. She has made this today's video section more exciteful. Okay, friends, it's time to say bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share your valuable comments on the share box below and press the share icon and share it on the social media links you have. Ask your friends to subscribe and share and make it as a chain reaction so that I get more subscribers. And in YouTube search box you can search it as JOELJOHNJ and you can find my channel page and you can click on that and click on the videos tab and see all my videos. Oh, wonderful roar of the lion. 3-2 pigeons. Yeah, you can see 2 pigeons over there, beautifully playing with each other. Strong, powerful roar of the lion from inside. Oh. These two are playing like anything. Oh, the lioness is falling on the lion and beating him. Royal look of the lion and the lioness. And my wife would turn next room on the most close up. And the nil blue ash deer, it's still showing its backside only. Cannot do anything. Okay, friends, it's Joel Janji signing off from you. Bye. I can show only the lion now and the lioness. Okay, with the royal look of the lion, we are coming up to an end. It's time to say bye. It's your Joel Janji signing off from you. Bye.